Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 28 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something that came in the mail. I've got the stamp and the envelope, the inside of an envelope. Something made from plastic. I've got these buttons. A math symbol. I've got this little tiny flashcard. It's got the plus sign, equal. I'm skipping the tea bag or cover. And the next prompt is a doll or toy, and I got this from the Art Doll magazine. And the bonus is something cold, and my background is snowflakes and such. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right. Well, first of all, I'm going to start gluing down my little buttons so I know where to put them. We're doing pretty good. I got some blueberry jam made this week. It's good. Friends of mine from church gave me some and some tomatoes to eat. So I had my first tomato sandwich of the year. It was really good. I try to grow tomatoes. I just don't have much luck. And I'm not where I really can grow them right now. Okay, so I've got that. So now I just want to lay out everything else. I've got the envelope. I'm kind of keeping it in the blue tones, but with a little bit of contrast. And that way I can, break it up. So I'm kind of thinking along those lines. And I've got this that I also wanted to use. Had it lying around on my desk. So let's get some of this down. Not a whole lot of other things going on. We've had a good bit of rain this week. It's been a very wet summer. Makes the grass grow. So my husband's going to have to cut grass again. Let me go ahead and, what did I do with my frond? I just had it. Go ahead and put this down. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP28 to see what everyone else has made. There hadn't been a whole lot of people participating this time. We had one year that I participated, it was like that, and then the next year it was lots of people. Okay, now, I'm sure y'all probably see it or saw where it went. I just had it. Hopefully I didn't glue it down underneath. Yes, because I see it right there. Dadgummit. See if I can. This has been the way my morning's gone. My washing machine keeps getting out of balance. I can't get my clothes done. I have a comforter in there. Let's see. I missed the top leaf, but it's always something. See what I can do now. See if I can salvage this. I really liked how that looked. Doing it backwards just because of the glue parts on there. Some days it's just not worth getting up out of the bed, is it? All right. And outline her to help her to pop more. Get her little bird up there. I love the art dolls. Okay. And I will use my Stabilo All just to ground her a little bit. Okay. And I do have these butterflies. Let's see. See if I can get them off now. There we go. That's pretty. And I'll do some gold splatters. And I will call this one done. It was very simple. We have got, let's see here, we have got something that came in the mail. We've got the envelope and the stamp. Something made from plastic. I've got the buttons. A math symbol. I skipped the tea bag or cover. A doll or toy. I've got this art doll. And something cold. And we've got our background with the snowflakes. So I hope everybody has a wonderful week. Y'all take care. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. All this helps my channel grow, and I really do appreciate it. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP28 to see what everyone else has made. I've got it listed in my description box down below. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.